Greetings, beautiful people. Welcome back to Uncle Lou's Kitchen. Folks, incredible masterclass today. 2-in-1 special. We got
Marisol
and
Dorcas.
Where are we from?
Equatorial Guinea.
Folks, stay tuned. We've got a mains and a dessert coming up. Let's get cooking. So, ladies, what are we making first?
We're gonna do haricot with coconut rice. And it's basically red beans. And my family and I have been eating that for ages and we love it.
Nice. Okay, so what's involved?
First, we start with the main haricot ingredients, which is involved 2 cups of chopped tomato, 2 cups of kidney beans, 2 large onions, 6 garlics, chili, 2 bouillon cubes, spring onion, salt, ginger, pepper and thyme, palm oil, and then 2 cups of rice, coconut milk, and then separately we're gonna use 2 plantains. So we're gonna make the paste. So basically I'm gonna use 3 of the spring onion for now, and some garlic cloves, and big of the ginger, the big part of it.
So Dorcas, tell me, because Equatorial Guinea is actually really fascinating. You two are the first people I've ever met from there. What can you tell the viewers about Equatorial Guinea?
So it's a really small country. It's the only one in Africa that speaks Spanish. And a curiosity about it is like our continent. We have part continent and part island. So the capital is in the island. It's called Malabo. And then we have part on the continent. It's the big part. The city one, the most biggest one, is called Bata. And now we have a paste. We're gonna proceed with the cooking. We start adding some palm oil. So we're just gonna let it melt a little bit, and then we add the onion. Le bouillon.
Smells good already.
Salt, pepper, and the tomato.
So Dorcas, tell me, I understand you were saying that there's quite a large population of Equatorial Guineans in Spain.
Yeah, as we speak Spanish because it was colonized by our Spanish, it's easy for us to move to Spain. So there's a huge community of Equatorial Guinean people in Spain.
And when you speak Spanish, for example, do you have like a different accent?
Yes, we have different words, different... it's like, just you know that if you use that word, you are from Equatorial Guinea, 100%. Now we add the beans.
This smells so good.
Gonna chop some chili.
Chili?
Yes.
Let's do it.
As people doesn't like that much spicy, we're just gonna chop the half. And we introduce it. And we slowly let it cook till we have the final product.
Okay, now we've got Marisol in the house.
We're cooking now the coconut rice. Okay, so...
This is the most serious you've been today. There you go.
First, we need to put the oil here. And once you make sure that the oil is warm, you add the onions. Now that we have the onions, like they look like that, we can add the rice. Now we add the bouillon and a bit of salt. You can just put the salt here on your hand and just add it. Don't add too much because you can correct it later. The coconut milk. And you mix everything again. Okay, and now I'm just gonna add a little bit of water.
Yeah, it's about a cup.
Once we have enough liquid, I can cover it. And now for the side, we're gonna do plantain, fried plantain. We just need to cut like the both bottoms, and now we open the plantain like that And once we have the code, it's easier for us to do this and open it. Once we have the 3 parts, it will be like easier for us to do small portions. So that's how we test in our country if the oil is hot or not.
So, Marisol, you're saying there's different tribes inside of Equatorial Guinea itself?
Yeah, inside of our country we have like officially 5 tribes. And the thing is that we differentiate ourselves because of the language that we speak, of the culture, and sometimes of the shape and the last name. Because, for example, the Bubis and the Combes, they have Spanish last names, and we, the Fang, we have African last names. We people from Equatorial Guinea, we have Spanish names. Because my name is Marisol, and Marisol is actually a Spanish name, and it's another way to know that the person is from Equatorial Guinea, because you will see a black person with a Spanish name, and you can tell that that person is from my country.
That's cool. So just a bit of background on how I met Marisol. So Marisol happens to be my eldest son's kindergarten teacher.
Yeah, my Ray Ray.
I said to her, where are you from? And she explained to me, like, originally she's Equatorial Guinea. I was like, wow, come and cook on my channel.
And I couldn't say no. I was like,
That's
okay.
it.
A few moments later.
Ya de puta madre.
Right. I like the sound of that. Puta madre on the right. That means it's good.
Yeah, it's
More than good.
amazing.
Amazing. All right.
Oh my god.
Good. Both of them, everything's ready now, yeah?
Yes, ready.
Right, amazing. What are we doing now?
Beans, rice, and the plantain. So we're gonna put it on a plate. So for the presentation.
Amazing.
Michelin star.
Yes. Okay, so just one final thing with the rice. They're saying about at the bottom of it.
Yeah, the bottom, this part, the brown one, in Guinea, we call it like creme creme. Because when you eat it, it's crunchy.
So you can feel the sound of creme.
Exactly.
Ah. Okay, so plating up in the capable hands of Dorcas.
Rice.
Nice.
And plantain.
Amazing.
And then we top up with some thyme and voila.
Ladies, this looks absolutely incredible. It smells amazing. What a work of art. Good job.
Thank you.
We need to try this now. It's time for the taste test. Let's do it. Right, so what are we starting off with? Let's do the coconut rice because this looks absolutely delicious. So, coconut rice.
Do you like it?
Wow. It's got the delicate coconut flavour. It's really good.
Yeah.
It's really nice. It's good. I don't know how to explain it. It's really good. Yeah. Really good. Hygiene. So now this is the haricot. Mm-hmm. So now we're gonna try the haricot. I think I'm already gonna really like this.
And when you mix it together.
Just need to mix the rice and
Wow.
go in the same spoon.
Wow! Fucking wow! Oh my god!
Well done.
It's a 10. It's a 10.
20 out of 10. Ladies, that's amazing.
We're ready to marry.
That's really good. I was thinking of letting them take some home, but that's not happening anymore. You guys are going home hungry. Folks, I hope you enjoyed this episode. It's been an absolute pleasure. Next episode, Marisol and Dorcas are going to teach you how to make
Aguado.
Guys, subscribe if you like vegan recipes from all around the world. This is what we do. Ciao for now. Love you. See you on the next one.
Bye-bye.